Hello everyone and welcome back. It's been a while since we last explored a Japanese myth, so today we're looking into the myth of the Tengu. Tengu is the name of a class of giant humanoid monsters in the traditions and folklore of Japan. The first mention of the Tengu in Japan is said to come from the 23rd chapter of the Nihon Shoki, sometimes translated as the Chronicles of Japan, which is the second oldest book of classical Japanese history. The Tengus are described as having the body of a human with glowing eyes, but with the long red beaks and wings of a bird. In the earliest sources, the Tengus were still pictured with the long beaks, but in later depictions, they were shown with very long noses. Nowadays, the Tengu is mostly represented with this characteristic. There are two types of Tengus: the Karasa Tengu, which represented the bird form of the Tengu, and the Konoha Tengu, which represented its human form. It is said that the Tengus are actually very aggressive creatures, and also very skilled in martial arts. They inhabited a fortress in the dark forests of Mount Kurama, north of Kyoto. The legend says that warriors hope to meet one in hope to absorb their skills. In modern times, these creatures have been demonized to become pranksters and child-stealing beings. In popular culture, the myth of the Tengu is still very popular in both Japan and other countries alike. They often appear in Japanese cinema, animation, manga, and video games. That's it for today's episode. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you all for the next one.